Hi guys, it's Jamie, the owner of Not Too Shabby. I have a sneak peek for you, so stick around. Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today I want to do a little teaser video, just a little sneak peek of our brand new October box of the month, which will be released on October 1st. So if you're not already subscribed to the box, you can go ahead and pre-order on the website. I do start shipping on October 1st. Some of you that are already a club member have probably gotten your box early, so it depends on when you are signed up, because you get your box every 30 days. So the best time to sign up for this subscription is now, because then you'll get your box early. You'll get your box before the 1st, or subscribe on the 1st, then your box will be shipped out that day, and then every month it'll be shipped out on the 1st. If you have a subscription and you want to change your date, you can do that. Just log into your account, go under reoccurring orders and details, and you can see an area there that says change date for the ship date. You can change it to the 1st. That's the date that you will be billed. So whatever's convenient for you, you can do that. So there's some people that are subscribed and their box doesn't ship till the end of the month. So if you wanted to go in there and change it so you get your box earlier, you can do that. So here's a little sneak peek. We have 3 stamp sets coming out in this box, and I think this one is my favorite so far. So the one here that I've pre-colored is 2 of the images from the Merry Mugs stamp sets. And then the one image I'm going to color today is from our Gingerbread Kisses stamp set. And I thought we can pair up the 2 stamp sets and have the little gingerbread like popping out of this mug, or one like on the side here. So I think I might stamp out 2 of the gingerbreads so I can have one for this mug. Okay, so let's get these stamped out so you can see how cute this box is going to be. There's going to be matching ephemera to the paper pads. We got 2 paper pads, 2 different looks. We've got 2 coordinating ephemera packs. And when getting new stamps, sometimes you might want to wipe them. You can rub them with your fingers just to get the manufacturer's residue off of there. Your ink will stick to your stamp better. Sometimes I just wipe them down with my stamp chamois. So cute. Oh, I just love it. Look how adorable. So a great color combination to use for your gingerbread is a E99, E97, and E95. Now, this is one of my favorite combos. I use this a lot. I use it for foxes, pumpkins, just anything that you want to color like a reddish brown color. So I'm going to start with the E99, and I'm just going to go around my little gingerbread. I'm just going to outline it, give it a rounded look, kind of like the ends are toasted. Then I'm going to go under the scarf here. So we'll do one at a time. I'll fast forward the second one. So we're doing the E97 So let's talk about what else is going on with the shop. So on the 29th, we've got a National Coffee Day hop. So the coffee loving paper crafters group, they have a Facebook group, a blog. They are hosting the event, and it's a sponsored event. So there's going to be like different sponsors, and for this hop, you're not going to be uploading a link of your project or anything like that. You're just going to enjoy the hop, grab yourself a cup of coffee, and then just hop from blog to blog. And each sponsor is going to be doing their own giveaway. So we're going to be doing a giveaway on our blog. So be sure to stop by on the 29th. So I have a handful of people from the design team that created with the pumpkin spice season release. So you'll see some pictures of their projects on my blog on the 29th. That release sold out very, very quickly. I might have some paper pads and ephemera left, but they are going fast. Such a cute collection. So I'm going to go ahead and color the rest of this guy in with this E95. And then I'm going to go over my image twice. My markers seem to be a little bit dry, so I'm not getting the greatest blend. And it always looks better when you do it twice. So we're going to go back with the E99. And I'm just going to go over exactly what I did before. We also have an event going on. It will be the 29th, actually. It's going to be on the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. It's going to be Teresa, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on YouTube. She's going to be on my channel live. So she's going to be showing how to create a napkin card. So the people that have purchased the mystery kits are going to be able to follow along and create a napkin card. So if you didn't get the kit, of course you can still follow along. Just get yourself a napkin and follow along. If you want to sign up for our mystery kits, we do have a subscription for that. So it's a very nice kit. You get 6 designer sheets of paper. You get a few embellishments, a small stamp, just enough to create, a handful of cards without breaking the bank. I'm back with the E95. Okay, I think that looks good. So I'm going to color up the scarf and the candy cane. We're going to use reds to match the mugs here. So the reds that I like to use a really dark red. So either the R39, maybe a RV69, that's more like of a purpley red. So let's use the R39. And then I'm going to do every other stripe. And then I'm going to go in with R46. Going to try to leave some white space here so I could go in with a lighter red. So I'm going to do R29. And this red is, I think, real red? Lipstick red. Okay, so for the cheeks, I'm going to pick RV25. Might as well fill this guy in. And for the stars, I can do green just to bring out the green in this holly. I think I don't need two colors. We'll see. We'll do G09. I'll just leave the center uncolored for the lightest color. And I'm just going to put YG11 in the center there. Now for my candy cane, I'm going to do a shadow with the W3 color. And I'm just going to go all the way down my candy cane here on the inside. And there's a little spot that I got red on that I don't like because I got red where the white should be. So I'm just going to take my white Jelly Roll pen and just color that. There. Now nobody's going to know. Okay, so let's do the other guy. I have a feeling that this kit will sell out really fast. I have Jen Bina from Scrap Bina Creations. She's going to be making some cards with this kit. Now, I just adore her cards. They are fabulous. I thought this kit was totally up her alley and that she would really enjoy creating with this kit. So I can't wait to see what she came up with. So here I'm using R24, and I'm going to go back in with that R29 because I forgot to grab that one, and blend into the R24 just a little bit here. So I'm going to bring this out just a little bit. And then we'll blend that with the R24. Okay, since you've seen me already color up this one, I'm just going to play some music and fast forward the coloring of the sky. Okay, so I want to make a little slit in my cup here so I could have the little gingerbread popping out. So I got an X-Acto knife, and I'm just going to cut a little slit in here. And I really hate using these X-Acto knives, but I really want my little guy to be in there. Okay, that was easy enough. Okay, there he goes. Now what would be cute is if you did an interactive card and had the little gingerbread going up and down. That would be really, really cute. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek from the third stamp set, which has these really great words to stamp on your mugs and on something else that's on the third stamp set. But they're right done style words, or font, shall I say. So I'm going to stamp out the word, I think, cheers. That would look cute, right? Cheers or Mary? Either one. Okay, so I'm going to stamp out the word cheers. I'm going to use this one, Versafine Clear in Nocturne. I love it for sentiments. Okay, how cute is that? Isn't that adorable? Here's a little sneak peek of one of the paper pads. I might be using these 3 for my card. But thank you guys so much for stopping by and taking a little sneak peek of the new box of the month coming up for October. And I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.